Hey everyone, my name is Josh. Welcome to Charles Sturt University on our wonderful Albury campus. Today I'm going to be walking through and showing you guys a little bit of a tour. So follow me and I'll show you guys our lovely campus. Hey guys, welcome to our main area at Albury Wodonga campus. I'm going to be showing you around most of our general buildings here, starting off with the Gums hangout space. Follow me. Okay guys, welcome to the Gums. This is a hangout space that fellow students come and play pool and eat lunch before classes and just generally hang out and get to know each other. Welcome to the C.D. Blake Lecture Theatre. This is our big lecture hall that we have a lot of our major classes in. Charles Sturt was actually the first carbon neutral university in Australia, and that's thanks to buildings like this that have compressed mud brick and circulation of water tubes throughout the building to maintain heat and cooling. Albury Wodonga campus is actually home to many vulnerable species here in the wet life area that we have out the back of our campus. Some species include the Sloane froglet and the squirrel gliders. So this is the learning and teacher hub where we spend most of our time. This is kind of our basic classrooms that we have. It's actually been newly refurbished, so we have a lot of acoustic paneling, a lot of learning booths and study areas that we have here. But this is where we have most of our classrooms that we do most of our work in. Hi guys, welcome to our Albury Wodonga library. Here we have hundreds of thousands of resources that you could use for classes and for personal learning. We also have a giant online library that you can download resources straight onto your phone or computer. Over here we have our 24 hours study centre that you can use at any time. Here you can cram for exams, work with friends and other students, and yeah, just buckle down and get some work done. Okay everyone, here we are on the on-res section of Albury Wodonga. Here we have heaps of facilities like our outdoor basketball courts and netball areas. We also have a really big picnic area with ping pong tables, a crate full of different sporting items. We also have our big rock climbing wall out the back here, as well as a barbecue section that we can have a bit of a picnic around here. Welcome to the PAV. Here we have our Res Life office as well as our 24-hour gym and study centre. Follow me, I'll show you around. Here we have group study sessions as well as run a variety of different res-centred events. The PAV is like the big place that all us residents come to just to hang out and do our work. Okay guys, so sorry, we have actually a couple of classes in the labs at the moment, but these are the allied health labs that nursing students, physiotherapist students and occupational therapist students use. Inside we have a whole bunch of equipment that you can get your hands on learning for, but yeah, we have a couple of people in there right now. Okay guys, this is the occupational therapist obstacle course. Here the OTs run through a whole bunch of simulations ready for movement. So we have a whole bunch of different environments like the gravel, bridges, gates, benches, different things that we use for helping patients move through their everyday life. Welcome to the Skills Gymnasium movement space. Here we have a whole bunch of equipment that the allied health students can use for hands-on learning, especially to do with movement of patients. Here we have a whole bunch of mannequins that can be programmed to have a whole bunch of health problems, such as having a cardiac arrest, a heart attack, and it's up to the nursing students to navigate these problems and figure out how to help them. Welcome to the environmental science labs. So here we bring the outside in. We do a whole bunch of different sciences ranging from earth sciences to biology, pretty much looking from the smallest, tiniest things on the earth to the largest things. Well everyone, that was Charles Sturt University Albury Wodonga campus. If you're not on res, you could always be out in town getting a good feed, or up in the snow, or in the great outdoors around our campus, such as the BMX track that we have at the back. If you're interested, come and talk to us, and we'll be very interested to show you guys around a bit more. Thank you everyone.